Solutions to problem number 4 or problem number 2. From the following particulars furnished by A merchant, compute depreciation allowable as per Income Tax Act 1961. Written down value of plant and machinery as on 1/4/2018 rupees 1,62,000. Written down value of plant and machinery is rupees 1,62,000. Date 1/4/2018 means beginning of the previous year. Additions to plant made on 1/12/2018 rupees 50,000. Additions is nothing but the purchase of plant on 1/12/2018. Year date is most important because depreciation percentage is depends on this date. Machinery purchased on 31/12/2018 which could not be installed during the previous year 60,000. Machinery purchased but not installed. Here depreciation is calculated only on installed and used machinery but not on unused machinery or unused asset. So depreciations cannot be calculated on this amount. Sale proceeds of machinery which was originally purchased on 1/4/2016 for rupees 50,000, cost of rupees 65,000. Machines purchased amount is 50,000 but same machine is sold rupees 65,000. So this amount is deducted from the written down value of plant and machinery and additional purchase of plant. And machinery destroyed by fire happening on 23/3/2019. Its original cost on the date of purchase on 1/4/2017 was rupees 25,000. The amount received from the insurance company is rupees 15,000. Machinery original value is 25,000 but amount received from the insurance company is 15,000. Here the amount received from the insurance company is considered. This amount and means original value of machinery amount is ignored. This amount is also deducted from the written down value of plant and machinery and additional purchase of plant. Rate of depreciation is 15%. So rate of depreciation is 15% is depends on purchase of machines date. So solutions to problem. Computation of depreciation allowance for the assessment year 2019-20. Particulars amount. WDV on 1/4/2018 of machine is 1,62,000. Additions to plant. Additions is nothing but the purchase of plant on 1/12/2018. Here 1/12/2018 is 50,000 less than 180 days. 180 days means 1/12 machine purchase is purchased in 2018. December, January, February, March, only 4 months, so less than 180 days. Machinery but not installed during the previous year, no depreciation, nil. 1,62,000 plus 50,000, we will 50,000, 2,12,000 total. Then less machinery sold. Machinery sold rupees 65,000. Machinery destroyed, compensation received 15,000. 65,000 plus 15,000, 80,000. 80,000 is deducted from 2,12,000. We will get 1,32,000. It is the WDV for the assessment year 2019-20. Depreciation is calculated on different amount and different percentage because it depends on use of machines. Depreciation on rupees 1,62,000 minus 80,000. 1,62,000 means it is the amount of old machine. Old machinery amount is WDV is 1,62,000. Again same machine was sold in 2018 65,000 and compensation received from the insurance company total is 80,000. So 1,62,000 minus 80,000 is equal to machinery value is 82,000. 15,000 divided by 100, 12,300 is a depreciation allowance of old machine. Machine depreciation on rupees 50,000. 50,000 means new machines value is 50,000. 50,000 into 77.5% divided by 100. Here we will take only 7.5% because machine used for less than 180 days during the previous year. So we will take only 7.5%. In case machine used for more than 180 days during the year, we will take 15%. But we will take here machine purchased machine used for less than 180 days during the previous year. So we will take 7.5%. So rate depreciation allowance is 3,750. Additional depreciation. Additional depreciation is allowable only on plant and machinery. Here asset is plant and machinery. So additional depreciation is calculated only on new machine. Additional depreciation percentage is 20%. But here also only we will take 10% because machine used for less than 180 days during the previous year. So we will take only 10%. 50,000 into 10 divided by 100, 5,000. Total depreciation allowance is 21,050 rupees. 21,050 rupees is deducted from 1,32,000. So we will get WDV as on 1/4/2019, that is 1,10,950.